Hello friends, welcome to Forex Raja, your channel for USDINR analysis. So friends, let's look at what has been happening for throughout the day today and compare it with my yesterday's analysis. So friends, as you can see here, if you look at my yesterday's analysis, I had very clearly told you I'm watching out for an important level below 82, which is 81.97. So until spot is above 81.97, sorry, I think, yeah, let me take this 1 day chart here, please. 1 day chart. All right, friends. So I had told you very clearly that if spot is above 81.97, I will be on the buying side. Only if spot goes below 81.97, it can go to 81.88. That is what I told you on my Thursday analysis. For people who are watching my video for the first time, I request you to please look at my previous day analysis so that you can link it. So as you can see, spot did not go today below 81.97. As soon as it opened straight at around 81.10, 82.10, and quickly went to 82.15 also levels, and stayed there at this level for almost like half an hour. And after that, a small fall came. But in this half an hour, I had suggested on Thursday for people to buy 82 CE at 4 paisa, and I had also given an exit at 8 paisa, but today morning it hit a high of 15 paisa. So almost the investment that people would have made has tripled. And after that, if they have exited here, which is well and good, and after that what happened is a fall came up, and we have been very much in the range of 82.7 to 82 range. So this is 82 at the bottom, and it has been here on the top, it is 82.07. This is the range it has been trading on, friends. So while it was a very muted day of a trade, the opening was very good for some of my friends who were on Telegram, where we suggested a buy on 82 CE, and they would have made profits on that one. So let's look at the daily trend, friends. Once before going for Monday plan, let's look at the daily chart over here. Again, on the daily chart, as I said, I am tracking a very important trend over here, and this trend of mine is still intact. This trend line is still intact for me. This down happened, again up, and again a down, again it went up, and from here it is again come down, and again it's trying to make an up move. So hopefully this up move, I expect it to go this way, and that's what I am tracking. The break point here, which I am trying to calculate, this break point is coming at 81.63. That means if spot goes below 81.63, friends, a big fall can come up till 81. Until spot is above 81.63, the trend is intact, and we have to see what is going to happen next. All right. So today evening, after 7 p.m., US data relating to non-farm payrolls, as well as a lot of data relating to the hourly wages, is expected at 7 o'clock India time. And this data will let us know what is the next move that can happen. All right. So what can we do on Monday, which is the 13th of March? What is the trade that I can look at? So friends, you can see here on the 1 hour chart, last time we had got a kind of a cup, and the handle failed and it went down. Again, we have got a smaller cup of formation over here, and this is the handle that is coming up right now. Normally, a cup and a handle format should lead to a upside breakdown. 90% of the time, a cup and a handle format will lead to a upside breakout. Okay, 10% it will fail. And I remember a couple of people on my YouTube channel asked me last time, when this cup and handle failed, they said, oh, it failed. Yes, it will fail. It all depends on data. It all depends on RBI. It all depends on what traders are thinking. There are multiple factors associated with it. But general logic of chart study says that when there is a cup and handle format, it normally results in an upside breakdown. Let's see if that happens or not. So what can we do for a trade on Monday, friends? For Monday's trade, this is going to be my logic, and I want you to please take a pen and a paper and make a note of the levels that I am suggesting. So for Monday, friends, I am going to be watching an important level, which will be this only again, which is 81.97 on spot. If spot is above 81.97, friends, my next target I will be looking forward is 82.07. Above 82.07, friends, again it will be the same grind where I'll be looking at 82.12. Above 82.12, friends, I will look at my next target, which is 82.20. And above 82.20, friends, is an important resistance, which is 82.29. This is the resistance we are not yet able to break from the last 4 days. And if this resistance is broken, then we can expect 82.4. On the downside, friends, if 81.97 breaks, then the next downside trend would be 81.88. Okay, and if 81.88 support breaks, the next target is 81.76. Okay, and if 81.76 on the downside breaks, then we again can go to 81.63, which I have discussed to you a few minutes back on my daily trend, which I had shown you. Daily trend, it will break. If it breaks 81.63, it can go further down. So these are the upside numbers, and upside and downside supports and resistances based on which we are going to be taking trade on Monday. So please make a note of this. I hope all of you are liking my video, friends. For those people watching this video for the first time, I request you to please subscribe to my channel, because I come up with daily analysis, and this analysis can help you to prepare for your trade. At the same time, for all those people who are liking the content of this video and are profiting from it, I request you to go below my video. There is a like button, share button, subscribe button. At the same time, there's another button called thanks button. Click on that and please do share a small contribution or contribution with me, showing your appreciation, because this can motivate me. So please do click the thanks button below and share a small contribution, friends, to motivate me. Thank you so much. You all have a wonderful weekend. We'll catch you in the markets on Monday, friends. Take care. Bye-bye.